Welcome to this tutorial on how to reset a chart on TradingView. Resetting a chart can be useful when you want to start fresh with a new analysis or remove any unwanted indicators or drawings. To begin, open TradingView and navigate to the chart you want to reset. First, click on the chart settings icon, which is usually located at the top right corner of the chart. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select the chart type you are currently using, such as candlestick or line chart. Next, click on the template button, which is usually represented by a small gear icon. This will open the template settings window, where you can manage your chart templates. In this window, click on the reset button, which will remove all indicators, drawings, and settings from your chart. Alternatively, you can also reset your chart by using the keyboard shortcut, which is usually Ctrl and R on Windows or Command and R on Mac. This will quickly reset your chart to its default settings. It is also important to note that resetting a chart will not delete any of your saved templates or settings. You can still access your saved templates from the template settings window. If you want to completely start from scratch, you can create a new chart by clicking on the New Chart button, which is usually located at the top left corner of the screen. In addition, if you have made any changes to your chart and want to save them before resetting, you can save your current template by clicking on the Save Template button. This will allow you to save your current chart settings and indicators, and load them later if needed. By following these steps, you can easily reset a chart on TradingView and start fresh with a new analysis. Remember to always save your templates and settings before resetting, and use the keyboard shortcut for a quick reset. With practice, you will be able to efficiently reset your charts and improve your trading analysis.